Hey guys, we are back with a new video, and in this video we're going to learn how to make a simple electric circuit using a bulb, a battery cap and a 9-volt battery. So let's get started. So now first of all we'll be connecting the battery with the battery cap. So here I'll take the battery, and then here we go, we have inserted it correctly. Next, we'll use a screwdriver to loosen these screws which are on the bulb here to fit in the wires to complete the circuit. Now first I'll unscrew one of the screws. And then I'll take one wire and wind it up right beneath the space between the screw and the bulb. And I'll hold it in place, and then I'll tighten the screw up again. And here, as you can see, the wire is bound correctly. So now we'll do that for the next wire as well. Now if you want a permanent light bulb glowing, you might as well unscrew it and then permanently fix the other wire. Or if you want an optional light bulb, then what we can do is we'll unscrew this cap here, and then in the space between the screw and the bulb we'll just insert the wire, and here you go, the bulb is glowing.